Thanks for coming, Mr. Nipun. I hope you had a great day with us at Green Steps Ramratan Farm.
Yes, it's a nice weather, so I really enjoyed the day.
What do you like the most about this place?
I would also like to thank you for this beautiful view. Fortunately, weather is very nice today. So, Mr. Gulati, I have few doubts regarding this, farmhouse living. The weather is very nice, area seems very beautiful, serene, and the weather and the pollution, everything is great. These are the positives which I came to know, and I'm observing this thing. But I have few doubts regarding, as this is my second visit. So with my first visit, I went with few doubts. So fortunately, you are here for my queries.
Definitely.
So I would really appreciate if you can give me the clarity so I can make up my mind to proceed, further regarding the things. So my first question is, whenever I'm coming here for a long weekend or some कोई त्योहार आ रहे हैं या ऐसा कुछ है, so what about the security? I'm coming along with my family. The first point, whenever I'm investing in such thing, is my second home, or my weekend home. So security, what would security has Ramratan or this area? What is the position of security in this particular area?
See, security concern is a very valid concern you have. Because sometimes there might be a possibility that you are not traveling with your family and they are traveling alone.
With the family,
or without family.
Without family, yeah.
We have two-tier security. If you have a farm here, you will get one app. The app name is My Gate app.
Okay.
First procedure is that you can give access to your relative or friend in case you invited them with that app. Otherwise, at the
like other
entrance
societies,
of the security,
it's a security.
If someone will come, they'll tell the guard that they want to go to this farm number. He'll intercom with the concerned person at that farm. If that person allows, then only the other person will get entry inside the compound.
Okay, so this point is clear now. Like that Ramratan group is maintaining the proper, security system and everything. And the other point is like connectivity. अभी हम लोग गुड़गांव से चले, good 70 minutes और 70 odd minutes लगे. So क्या कोई future prospect है इस belt में जिससे कि although it's a short time, I guess the shortest distance from Gurgaon to this particular at this prices, especially at this prices. So is there any future prospect of connectivity?
See, you might took 75 to 80 minutes to reach here today.
Yeah.
अगर 2-3 साल के अंदर 2 साल के अंदर अगर इस कनेक्टिविटी पे पहुंचने को मैं अगर आपको कहूँ कि आपके 15 मिनट्स और कम हो जाते हैं तो ये थोड़ा शॉकिंग नहीं होगा आपको कि कैसे कम हो जाएंगे यार?
I will be overwhelmed and it will be a pleasure.
तो सर अभी आपने 65 से एग्जिट किया होगा जब आप सोना से एक्सप्रेसवे पे एंटर हुए होंगे, उसके बाद आपने DMIC पिक किया होगा और उसके बाद 65 पे आपने एग्जिट लिया होगा, फिर फिरोजपुर झिरका के लिए राइट हो गए होंगे. इन फ्यूचर आफ्टर ईयर एंड हाफ आप 65 से एग्जिट नहीं लेंगे, आप 85 से एग्जिट लेंगे. 85 का मैं आपको वो बताता हूँ कि वो इतना ज़रूरी क्यों है. 85 इसलिए ज़रूरी है क्योंकि वहाँ पे रिको इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया आ रहा है.
ओके.
और रिको की वजह से वो 85 वाला कट डेफिनेटली खुलना ही खुलना है.
So from the Bombay Express Highway, we'll get a connect. After 20 kilometers, we'll have a road connecting to this property.
Then we will have one more exit at 85.
Okay.
And that will directly connect you with the State Highway 25, which is this highway.
So it is going to save more 15-20 minutes more, right?
15 to 20 minutes duration will be less in a longer version. For an example, you are taking 80 to 90 minutes to reach here, it will get into 60 minutes.
One more thing, is it on papers? It has been approved by this local state government?
I will share a lot of things with you, and
so this has been approved?
Exactly. We have the Gazette of Government of India as well.
Okay.
So that has to come.
Okay. So you can show me the papers?
And yeah, definitely, sir.
All right.
I'll share everything.
Definitely. So it has been approved on the map and everything, this society paper, documentation. What about that? I mean, the title and everything is?
The best part, sir, Ramratan ही क्यों? मैं आपको इसका भी
reason मैं आपसे इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ because farm houses में generally बहुत सारा farmers का कब कुछ होता है. I don't want to be in those hassles, and I want a clear title ownership की registry मेरी जो है. Whenever I make the payment, I'll get the registry done without any
आपको हम खसरा नंबर भी प्रोवाइड कराएंगे, रजिस्ट्री भी कराएंगे, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट हम म्यूटेशन भी कराएंगे.
Oh, that's good.
So you don't have to worry about the paper side. We are expert in it. Ram Ratan has a reputation because they are not new in this business. They are creating farmhouse experience from past 4 decades.
Yes, I know they are made in Chhatarpur. They developed Chhatarpur as
They
well.
developed Neem Rana as
Yeah,
well.
yeah,
They developed Sona as well. So this is not their last point. They will expand for sure. So they always maintain that reputation of the brand. So
They expert.
yes,
They have their expertise
they are
in
not
farmhouse
concerned
living.
about the paperwork comparatively to you because it's their reputation which is on stake.
On stake, sure. Okay. And what about the future growth and prospects? What do you think? It's a hard-earned money. Whoever is going to invest, it's a hard-earned money for me as well as whoever is going to invest. So, what is the future aspect of this in shorter term? By shorter term, I mean 3 years, and longer term, above 5 years. What do you suggest on the? I mean,
Land for sure will appreciate. Apart from land appreciation, you can generate here rental income as well.
okay.
For
How
that,
is it?
let me explain you. There are concepts, few concepts in the market like Airbnb.
Yeah,
one or
I know,
two,
I know.
Thing more like this, similar to this.
When we go to outing with the family, when
Exactly.
we generally go with Airbnb.
So we are already in touch with Airbnb, and we are in the final talks. If
Okay.
that thing will be done, minimum ROI will be 6%.
Oh.
Appreciation will be different. That will be different from the because
6% on the amount I invested.
Exactly.
Okay.
Mota, if you are spending here somewhere around 2.7 to 2.8 CR, you will get somewhere around 18 to 25 lakh rupees. You can get 18 to up to 24 lakh rupees from ANBN concept.